Guys, it's Adrian from Progression. So today I'm going to be unboxing something for the interior of my car. It's something that I've been missing for a while. I already wrapped the wooden trim, and I've had the bucket seats in there for a while. But there's been one piece that I've been missing for quite some time, and it finally got here. You guys can guess down below what you guys think it is. It's been a long time in the making. This is something I've wanted since the beginning, but it's probably one of the more expensive pieces that didn't make sense until I did all the performance stuff. But now that I've gone full bolt on and everything, I thought that it was finally time to pull the trigger on this. So we'll go ahead and unbox this. Time for the big reveal, which you guys have all been waiting for. It's got to come in with the little candy. Shout out Bryce. If you guys know, he sells wheels. I'll make sure to drop his tag out down here. But moment of truth, guys. This goes so hard. Something I've been wanting for a while. I got the full Alcantara steering wheel with the red stitching on the top. Came out pretty nice. Love the way that it looks. It's very clean. Flat bottom. Had to go with the flat bottom. This is actually the one that Bryce was running on his car. He recently just sold his car. I'm excited to see what he has next. I think he's gonna go with the F chassis. If you guys check out his page, I'm sure you guys will see by now. But this is something that I've been waiting to get for some time now, and I don't know. I've always just been kind of hesitant on pulling the trigger because, again, they're very expensive, and I do performance over looks all day. I don't really care about how the car looks, especially the steering wheel. Doesn't really matter. Still looking for some side skirts, but pretty much I got this for now. I want to do the full Alcantara headliner. We'll see if I end up doing that, but I'm sure you guys will stay tuned for that. But this way, the steering wheel will match with the roof, which will be pretty cool. But if you guys hit up Bryce, he actually sells a bunch of steering wheels. He'll actually make them for you however you want. He does carbon fiber, Alcantara, all that type of stuff. But this is definitely something that you guys should check out. I mean, it's gonna finally start to look more put together now. Like I said, long time coming. I was very hesitant on it, but he was selling his car, so I said, screw it, why not? Good deal. But we're not gonna install it today. When you guys see the next video, it'll probably be a couple days from now, a couple weeks. Right now, we're still in the middle of the winter, so it's 11 degrees outside. I'm not really trying to be outside right now, but I mean, let me know what you guys think below. And I'll bring you guys for the next time when we start installing it, and I'll show you guys a little before and after. But hope you guys like it, and we'll see where this video takes us. What's up, guys? It's a couple months after the original clips that you guys just saw. I'm finally getting to do the steering wheel. Last time I filmed, it was about, I think, like 7 degrees or something like that, and today we're about to hit the hottest week that we've had, I think, in history. If you guys haven't checked out Grid Life's video, make sure to check that out. I had a couple pictures taken by my boy Pixel Media. I'm gonna drop his tag down below and show you guys a little bit of a couple pictures that he took of me and Jeremy's car. I'll put those on the screen so you guys can check them out. Great photographer. Make sure to check him out. Go give him a follow. And honestly, I know I've been dragging to get the steering wheel done, but I'm finally gonna do it. I'm gonna start by disconnecting the battery for about 15 minutes just because I don't want the airbag to come out while I'm swapping it out. I'm thinking that I'm just gonna wrap this because I didn't know if I wanted to do carbon fiber or Alcantara, but the one that I got from F82 Bryce did not come with that cover. I thought that it did, but it didn't. So right now, for the meantime, I think I'm just gonna wrap it the same camo that is on all the other interior pieces, as you can see. I think that'll do for now. Your boy's balling on a budget, so can't really afford the carbon fiber or suede. And I still haven't even got around to doing the suede top, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna hold off on doing that till probably the winter. But I'm gonna start by unplugging the battery waiting 15 minutes, and then I'll bring you guys step by step on how to swap out the steering wheel. I went ahead and took it out. There's these 2 holes right here on each side. You want to push diagonal, so if you're underneath it, you want it flat vertically like that, and just push up on an angle, maybe like a 45-degree angle. I was struggling because some of the videos were saying that you had to push straight up. There was some that people were pushing to the side, but I was finally able to get it. And then once you get those, the airbag will come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some pliers, or not pliers, something to pop out the sensors. I got the airbag off. Ended up just popping up the clips on the black tips right here. The clips, my bad. Popped them up and then they just came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a 16mm, I believe, and go ahead and pop out all these sensors and take out the steering wheel, and then I'll be able to swap out over all these buttons over to the new steering wheel, and then see how it comes out. So I was able to get the steering wheel out. It wasn't that bad. Just had to push down on this clip, push down on that, pull. This one I was just able to pull. So now what I have to do is take off this trim piece and transfer it over to the new steering wheel, and then it's pretty much just putting it back in. It's literally the same exact cables, just missing the pieces from this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the steering wheel apart, throw it on those, and then we'll see how it comes out. I'm probably gonna end up wrapping this, so I will show you guys how I end up wrapping this as well. Went ahead and took off these T15s, 3 of them right there, and then I'm gonna use the T15 to take off these right here. And then these come off, I'll be able to take out the wire right here and then wrap this and basically just put it all back together. Okay, so I ended up just wrapping these parts just because I thought it would be a lot if I did the whole thing. I ended up just taking off these 2 bolts, popping off the little clips that hold on right there, both for those same ones. And then there's just 1 screw that holds these. So I got this all back together. So this is what it's gonna look like. Just gotta hook it up. I think that looks way better than having the whole thing. It's a little bit more subtle. I'm still gonna get probably the M Sport one, either carbon fiber or the regular M Sport one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together and throw it back in the car and see how it looks. All right, I got her back in there. It's looking pretty clean. It's looking good. Can't wait to see what it looks like in the car. I'm gonna make sure I see what torque spec this needs to be at, because I don't want it to be loose or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at that, and then I'm gonna throw it back in the car, throw the bags back on, and then show you guys kind of what it looks like all put together. Okay guys, so I got it in. I ended up torquing this down to 62.5 Newton meters or 46.09 foot-pounds of torque. I was watching some video and that's what I got, so go ahead and make sure that that was tied down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery, or the airbag. Then after that, I'll connect the battery, make sure all the buttons work, and then put this all back together. Okay, so I went ahead and put it in. I got my flashlight so you guys can see a little bit better. It's looking so good. Now I'm gonna go ahead, turn on the car, make sure that it's reading everything, and then we should be good. Okay, so I finished the steering wheel, and since I had a couple other pieces, I had this that I wanted to put in. It just goes over this part that goes over the cup holders. So there's gonna be carbon fiber on the face of these cup holders as well as this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that. RIP the Paul Walker sticker, the GOAT. But unfortunately he's gonna have to come off, so I can put this carbon fiber on. Then I'll show you guys what it looks like after I'm done. Piece on, put a flashlight so you guys can see better. It looks so good. Put them on the cup holders. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I get it inside the car. Alright guys, so we got the final product. As you can see, it's looking good. Steering wheel looks good. Took me a lot longer than I should have, but I'm glad that it's finally done with. Got the carbon knob, e-brake, now the cup holders. So that pretty much sums it up for today's video. I think I'm gonna film a workout video this weekend, so next Wednesday you guys will get a workout video. I did film EDC. I'm not sure if you guys wanted to see that. I could post it. I don't know. I might just keep it for personal keepings. But if you guys want it, I'll post it. Leave a comment down below. I know Rudy still got a couple more things he's got to do to his car. Jesse's got a couple things. I know Jeremy's going to make some adjustments, stuff like that. So I'm not really sure where their stuff is at. But this is pretty much all for now. I do want to do my headlights. I have the honeycombs with the RGB demon eyes. I was going to do it by myself, but honestly I'm kind of worried about even opening up the headlight because I have to keep it at 225 degrees. But so if anybody knows somebody that could do the headlights, let me know. DM us on Instagram at Progression or hit me up on my Instagram. I'm looking for someone to do that. I know my boy Jose is going to be doing a paint correction on my car again. I'll probably try to film that, drop his tags and stuff like that when we do that video. He's the one that did my car last year, but unfortunately right after he paint corrected it, car broke down, had a bunch of issues and stuff like that. But I am also looking for a new spoiler. I don't know, I might just go for a CSL style trunk, but again, I don't have the money like that right now, so I think I'm going to hold off on that. But thank you guys for watching today's video, and like as always, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.